So what is up, Cubers? It's CodeCuber here, and today it's gonna be a really special video because I'm gonna be unboxing my very first Pyraminx. And so the Pyraminx is a Jihui Pyraminx. Yeah, I've never heard of that brand before, but okay. So let's see. The rotation is smoother. Standard structure, professional competition type materials. Okay. Well, it's also a budget Pyraminx, and I think this is magnetic. Well, we're gonna see that. Well, now let's unbox it. Okay, it's in a very interesting position. Let's keep that box aside. And okay, so it's frosted plastic. Let's do our very first turns. Okay. Well, the Ukraine flag. Well, it feels like it is magnetic, but it feels that it's magnetic and non-magnetic at the same time. It's just like a very strong force. You can even hear the sound. I think there's some kind of ball system in here. Let's see the corner cutting, if this even has any. Yup, zero corner cutting. Let's do some algorithm. Okay. Well, I learned how to solve the Pyraminx before even getting a Pyraminx through an online simulator. So that's kind of weird too. Well, so the Pyraminx is pretty cool. The quality is also really nice. It feels like it won't actually break if you even step on it. Well, I given a blooper about this video, I guess, on Instagram by posting a photo. If you don't know about my Instagram account yet, well, I'll give the link in the description below. So yeah, I've been uploading some photos and reels recently there. So yeah. So now let's just do one solve on this and see. And go. Well, the Pyraminx is actually by far one of the most easiest puzzles I've learned how to solve, because well, the algorithms were really simple, and it's just like it's really beginner friendly. The Pyraminx, it's just like anyone can learn how to solve the Pyraminx because of, well, the simple algorithms. So if you've also learned how to solve the Pyraminx, you also might, through the beginner method, you also might think that it's really simple and I just used the wrong algorithm. So yep, I'm really stupid. Okay, so I forgot where I was. Okay, so now let's just do that once again. Yeah, now this is the correct algorithm that I should have done. So that was an epic fail, but yeah, I solved it. Well, if you also want to buy this cube, well, it's a pretty decent cube and it's also a really good price. It's a reasonable price for this kind of cube. Well, so that's all I got today. Why are there so much technical difficulties in this video? Okay, So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my Instagram or on another YouTube video or someday. Peace.